And good Tuesday evening. Time to take a look here at your weather webcast video. And we got a lot to talk about. But first, we're going to talk about what's coming up over the next 24 to 36 hours. And it's basically going to be a cold but dry forecast. Now, we got some flurries out there, mainly out to the north and west of us. But it's going to mainly be a cold and dry forecast coming up for us. Now, your Wednesday and your Thursday right now look to be on the nice side. Not on the nice side, but at least they're going to be staying dry. Some sunshine out there. Temperatures warming up into the 40s. So pretty much a seasonal day or two coming up for us Wednesday and Thursday. Now, late Thursday night into your Friday, we're going to first see the clouds increasing late in the day on Thursday. And then Thursday night into your Friday morning, we're going to have some moisture moving in. Now, this will be more scattered moisture, but there's going to be a period of moisture moving in. Temperatures are expected to drop around the freezing mark coming up by Friday morning, and we could have a little bit of a wintry mix coming up for the first half of your Friday. Now, as we go throughout the afternoon hours on Friday, I'm expecting temperatures to warm up into the mid to upper 30s to transition most of that over to a rain and sleet mix. Now, we could be dealing with a freezing rain, sleet, or snow mix coming up Friday morning, but I'm expecting by Friday afternoon to be seeing mainly a rain and sleet mix. But now, Friday night into Saturday, we get the big slug of moisture moving through, and at that time, temperatures are expected to drop into the 20s, and we could be looking at a wintry mess coming up, especially Friday night into Saturday. But really, Friday into Saturday will be 2 active days to watch. So we got a lot to watch coming up for us in our forecast over the next several days, and we're going to want to continue to keep you updated on that. Here's a look at your advisories right now. We have flood warnings in effect for Whitfield, Murray, and Gordon counties, again, continuing for the continued streaks and rivers and creeks out there that are at or above flood stage. Now, on our radar picture, you can see we've got some flurries and snow showers off to our north in Tennessee, but again, around here, mainly dry. We're expecting that trend to continue as we go throughout tonight and into the evening hours or throughout your overnight hours as well. On the national satellite radar composite, you can see our next system, our first system moving off towards the east, but here's our next system developing. And now pushing on into the west coast at this time, this low pressure is going to continue to dive south, pick up some Gulf moisture, and then lift off towards the north and east. At the same time, a new surge of cold air is going to be coming out of Canada and heading down towards the south and east as well. So we can watch this develop over the next several days, or the next 24 to 36 hours. High pressure on top of us for your Wednesday morning. That scoots east Wednesday afternoon. Notice this front. This is the Arctic front with all that cold air diving down out ahead of it. And the storm system coming out of Southern California, picking up moisture into Texas as we go through Wednesday evening. And by Thursday morning, the front is lining up just to our north and west with the cold air seeping in behind it. And the moisture is starting to develop out to the west and southwest. And those two will kind of combine to bring us that chance of a wintry mess coming up, especially Friday afternoon into Friday night. But also Friday morning, we could have a period of it as well. So 20s dropping down for low temperatures tonight. It's going to be a cold but seasonable night out there overall. And then your forecast coming up for you on your Wednesday, we're expecting high temperatures to make it up into the upper 40s to near 50 degrees for us. So overall, not a bad forecast coming up for us with temperatures. Now here's your 7-day forecast. Again, clouds increase on Thursday. Now Thursday night into Friday morning, we could have a first round of precipitation move through. That can bring us a little bit of a light wintry mix of some sleet, freezing rain, maybe a little snow, but temperatures should warm up enough during the daytime hours on Friday into the 30s for us to mainly see a rain-sleet mixture. That's subject to change, so stay tuned. We'll continue to update this forecast. If it stays a little colder than what I'm expecting, we could have more of a wintry scenario throughout the whole day on Friday, and that is very possible. So stay tuned with that forecast over the next several days, but then especially Friday afternoon, Friday night, and into Saturday, we're expecting some much colder air to move on into the area, and as temperatures drop down into the 20s, we could be looking at rain, sleet, snow, or rain, sleet, freezing rain changing over to all snow Friday night into Saturday. Way too early to talk about accumulations or anything, but this is going to be a significant storm across portions of the southeast. The further north and west you go, the better the chances of seeing a more significant storm. But even around here, when you're talking about the chance of seeing some ice, some sleet, freezing rain, all those precipitation types, it'll be a very active day coming up in the weather department on Friday, so we'll continue to keep you updated on that. And the weekend is going to be very cold, highs struggling to make it out of the 30s coming up for the weekend, but we slowly rebound as we head towards next week. Stay tuned. We'll continue to keep you updated on the latest with this threat of winter weather moving into the area by the end of the week. Let's look at your weather webcast video for now. We'll hope to have the next one on for you by Thursday.